Unique Touch here. How are you doing today? So if you are seeing my face for the first time, how you are welcome. Please feel free to move around, watch previous videos, share, like, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. So today I'll be doing a very quick product review. I'm actually in a hurry. It's Sunday morning and I'm dressed for church, and while it's still raining, I just decided to do a quick video. Okay, so whether it stops raining or not, I am still going to church. So that is it. So if you're a returning subscriber, hi, thank you for coming around today again to watch our video. I cherish you and I value you so much. So today we'll be doing another review. So I told you, if you watch the retinol and I think the niacinamide video, if you watch them, you hear when I said I'm going to be reviewing other The Ordinary products that I also tried out during the acne moments that I faced. Okay, if you've not watched those videos, please watch it. Go back and watch it. The retinol video and the niacinamide video. I think niacinamide with zinc also. I hope I'm correct. I think so. Just check it down below, and then so that you can follow up. I'm just trying to give you an update or tell you the things that I did and what helped. Okay, so this was one of the products I also got. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that I'm using my front camera. This is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. Okay, so this is glycolic acid toning solution, and the glycolic acid in it is used at 7%. Okay, so the question is, isn't that a lot? Isn't that a lot? But we'll see, and I will tell you my experience, how it went for me. Okay, so it said glycolic acid toning solution with 7% glycolic acid, amino acid, aloe vera, ginseng, and Tasmanian pepperberry. Okay, these are what they said it contains. All right, so it said directions: use ideally in the PM, that is, use it basically at night, no more frequent than once per day. Now said after cleaning, saturate a cotton pad with the formula. Okay, it's telling you how to actually use it. Okay, so now this product, okay, it said visible targets, textural irregularities, okay, lackluster tone. Okay, so basically the work of this glycolic acid toner is to actually remove textured skins. Okay, so how does it do that? Is a glycolic toner is an AHA, that is an alpha hydroxy acid. So what it does is that it helps to exfoliate the skin and remove dead skins and clear the pores. Okay, so when it removes dead skins that causes those textures on your skin, okay, it shrinks the pores together and kind of removes those textures. So it kind of exfoliates your skin. So it takes off dead skin cells off the upper layer of your skin, and that is how this thing works. Okay, so what was my experience? So when I got it, man, I had so much acne. I was so super desperate for it to go. Like, I felt, let me exfoliate this, let me exfoliate the hell out of it. Like, so the first week I got it, I was using it morning and night. I won't lie. Okay, I was using morning and night. It was working. It was exfoliating as it promised. My pores were shrinking, but then the acne, it was reducing, but it was coming back. So I began to kind of notice tiny more new acne, and they are very tiny coming out. Okay, so I started using it only at night every day. Now nothing really changed again. I was still having the same experience. Okay, so I stopped using. This is it. This is the way comes. So it actually comes in two cover, yeah, the flat one and this one, but I prefer this one because it's a lot easier to drop. So if you want to open it, just kind of, and then so my face was quite sensitive at the time. I believe that was the reason. So I actually stopped using it, and then I stopped using it, and then I gave it time a bit. I left it for a while. So what I now did was, anytime I felt my face was getting texturized, I go in and use it maybe once a week or twice a week, and that was really working. Like, it worked so well. I now realized that the problem wasn't that the product wasn't good. The problem was that I was too frequent with it. Yeah, so basically I think how to use this product, if you try using it every night like they said and it's not working, I think how to use the product is to use it maybe twice, at most 3 times a week at night. Yes, it does the job. You will literally see it remove dead skin cells from your face. You just see it exfoliate your face. You will see the difference. So that is how to use this product from my experience. I'll put a clearer picture for you here to see. So this product was and still, you see where I've used it to. Okay, so another good thing you can use this product for is, if you know you have chicken skin, this texturized kind of skin, I don't know what to call it now. Okay, if you know you have it, right, this is a very good one for you. You can use this to tone your skin, or better still, okay, like I had a client that had texturized skin. Okay, so what I did for her was, I kind of used this toner, all right, to Promixed a body lotion for her. Yes, and trust me, God, it worked wonders. Okay, it worked really wonders. So it's really good for texturized skin. It's a toning solution. It will brighten your face or your skin or whatever. So it's also very good for hyperpigmentation. If you are having serious hyperpigmentation, use it for that area. But don't do like me. Don't be so desperate that you ignore the directions that the manufacturer has given sorry, and start doing another thing. Okay, so use it only at night, and if you feel it's not corresponding well with your skin, or you're having some reactions, use it twice or 3 times in a week. Yes, so I hope that was clear. This video is going to be really short. So a quick question for you. I hope you're going to church as well. I hope you're going to church. Thank you very much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell, and tell your friends about this channel. Come on guys, let's grow this family. Let's make it work. All right, thank you very much, and see you next time in the next video.